Welcome to today's class, and here we'll look at Python for loop and how we can use it to find items in a list. So here we have a bag of fruits, and then so imagine you're looking for an orange, and then so let's imagine that the bag is closed. You would have to dip your hand inside the bag, and then you retrieve fruits one after the other, and you continue to do that until you retrieve an orange. Yeah, so imagine this is our bag of fruit or fruit bag, and then you have you have your apple, you have your grape, you have your orange, and then you have the banana. And then you would have to go through, so that means the first time you dip your hand inside this bag, you would retrieve an apple, and then because it's not an orange, you would also go for the next round. That means you put your hand inside the bag and then you retrieve a grape, so that's not an orange too, and lastly you would retrieve orange, and then once you get that orange, maybe you would give that to your friend. So that's what we would implement in Google Collaborate. So here it's a Google Collaborate, and then we have a variable here, and that variable holds a list, and then we would use our for loop. So for my hand, so you have your hand inside your hand in the fruit bag, so this would print all the fruits in the bag. But remember, this is not what we want. We don't want to print all the fruits in the bag, so we would say once. So if we have a condition of if what you have in our hand, so what you have in our hand is what you have in our hand is an orange. So we could say that print what is in your hand. So you print that and then we'll break. So we'll print that and then we'll break out from the loop. So we don't need this at this time. So let's run this now. See that? So it says your hand in the fruit bag. So the first time you dip your hand, you put your hand in the fruit bag, you will retrieve apple. And then it says what you have in your hand, is it an orange? No, so it doesn't print at this time. Then it goes over again, and then at this time my hand would hold grape, and then it asks a question, is my hand at this time, so my hand holds grape, is grape equals to orange? No, so whatever you have here will not print, it will not print. And the next time my hand would hold orange, and then it asks, is orange equals to orange? Yes, we are holding an orange, and then it prints the orange, and then we'll break. So we'll break from the for loop because we found what we're looking for. Yeah, just like you dip your hand, and once you find the orange you're looking for, you stop the loop. That means you do not put your hand into the fruit bag. I hope this is clear. So imagine we're also looking for banana. We can change this to banana, so it goes up until the end, and then once we find the banana, it breaks. Yeah, so the banana. So see you in the next class.